I just really ran out the house, y'all. Just that groupie life for real, for real. Get your bag, get your little overnight bag with just soap, a new pair of panties, and keep it moving. That's really what I did this weekend. So. Hey my loves, welcome back to our channel. I am here with another one from the Mslynn HAIR. I am coming through doing things differently today. We are doing a collab, okay, for Valentine's Day. I wanted to do a start to finish collaboration with the beautiful Deanna Monet. Deanna Monet is the owner of Monet Dior Couture, whose bonnet I'm wearing right now. I've ordered a few other ones in time for this video, but I didn't get them. I mean, I'm out of town, so they're probably sitting right on my porch, and I just didn't get them yet. I'm saying all that to say, if you have not checked out Deanna, you really need to. She's so fire. And we are doing some love and sex and magic today, okay? So I'm going to take you all the way from the beginning. All right, we're going to lay our wig, beat our face, and throw on a cute little outfit for date night. So I hope you guys are ready, okay? And if you have not already, go bust down, check out my beautiful girlfriend, and let us get into Mslynn HAIR. Okay. So I am here. Do not judge how this unit looks, okay? Because I took her out, put her back, took her out, put her back, and now she's out. So we are going to get into this Mslynn HAIR unit. Okay. She is a body wave 24-inch unit. All right. All right, guys, we are back with Mslynn's HAIR. Okay, this is a Tpart transparent lace wig. So I'm excited to get into her. She's a body wave unit. She's 24 inches, all right? She has 2 combs in the front, okay? 1 comb in the back. The adjustable straps will kind of forever. Take a look at this lace, guys, okay? You see that? So the T is right here, across ear to ear lace, and then this parting space here, okay? So that's the parting space, all the parting space that you'll have. Otherwise, all of this in here is just weft hair, okay? So this will be a middle part unit. We're gonna get her all the way together though. Now let's go on ahead and throw her on. The texture of the hair feels beautiful. She is a little, she's thick, okay? And this unit is currently going for just under $200 for the 24-inch, okay, at 180% density. She's going for just about $200, but Mslynn HAIR always has a wonderful deal, so don't you guys be nervous, okay? And we're going to make sure that we drop all the details for this unit below so you can get some coins off, okay? Okay, so again, this is that transparent lace. I don't really know what they mean by that because I can see this lace. However, I really don't want to color it. I'm going to leave that for the very last step because part of me feels like, one part of me doesn't want to compromise it, right? Like one part of me is like, no, don't mess it up. If it's supposed to be transparent, show it as transparent. How about it? But the other part of me is I'm brand like this and not like this. And I don't want to come out the gate not on the right side because I'm trying to test something out. You understand what I'm saying? So, what do you guys think? I think we go through and darken it up. So I didn't bring my spray. Again, I'm out of town. I didn't bring my spray. I'm going to just go on in and darken it up with my Fenty Beauty. I have this in 420. Foundation brush. I just want to be sure, you know what I mean? It's only a teeny weeny, it's only a little bit of lace that's still exposed, so. Just a little bit. Okay, so I'm gonna show you just how much I did, just a little bit right around the ear to ear lace, okay? Not too much, and then I'll go in later and darken up the middle. All right, guys, I am so excited that Deanna kind of talked me into doing this. I really am excited to get into this wonderful unit with you guys. She is really, really beautiful. The texture of this hair is so fantastic. Again, I got this unit from Ms.Lynn HAIR. They so graciously provided us with this. And this unit in 24 inches, okay, at 180% density is going for just under $200. Don't worry. They're having a Valentine's Day sale as we speak. Okay, so you can go in there and get your coins saved. All right, we want to hold on to everything we got. Now I'm just going to use my bow hold liquid gold and just go through around the perimeter and just lay mother to bed. You know what I mean? We want to give a sexy R&B kind of stuff. We want to put her right to bed. Don't even judge that, okay? What I'm trying to get you to understand is that we are going through and just laying mother one down. Now this unit, again, the texture of the hair is so beautiful. She is super lightweight, although she is big head friendly and she's thick. It's really fascinating because it took me a lot of work to get her all curled down, not because she is a painful unit, but because it's just a lot of hair. Now, I did not experience much of any tangling at all, or shedding for that matter. And once she was all sprayed down and everything, my curls lasted all day and night. Okay. And that is something that I have to say it's it really makes me happy, because that's always what I write about with human hair versus synthetic hair. You know what I mean? So I'm going to shut my mimic mouth while I finish going through and laying this down. Okay, so I'm just gonna go through and beat my face, I guess. All right, guys, I'm just going to set this up for you guys. I'm using my milk primer just to go on through and get my skin super hydrated. Now, I use a powder foundation. I use Fenty Beauty. So I'm going to take all the time to put on all of my makeup, everything underneath my eyebrows and my concealer and everything. And then I'll go through with my powder. So All right, guys, I'm just going to dust all around the perimeter of the lace just to give her a nice blended look. And I'm just using my contour palette as well as my Fenty Beauty foundation. And I'm going to go on through using my round brush, which I'm obsessed with newly, and just making sure that we take smaller sections and curl this hair on down. I'm really taking my time with this one because I want really sexy defined curls. So because of that, I'm using smaller sections, okay? And then I'm just scrunching it and spraying it on down. We want to make sure that it holds that curl throughout the entire night. So I'm just going on through again and just spraying this down and going section by section. This hair is so beautiful. Every time I run my fingers through it, she really does do exactly what you want her to do. And the lace is really impressive. So I would definitely recommend Mslynn HAIR. This is the second unit I believe I've done with them, in collaboration I've done with them, and they have not disappointed again. Okay, again. I cannot take it. Okay, so I'm obsessed, and I'm obsessed with so many things. First of all, shout out to Deanna Monet for making me do a start to finish. This is maybe my second one, and it took, I mean, it's a lot of footage, so I'm gonna have to cut her up, but I'm gonna say it was so much fun hanging out with you guys for Valentine's Day so we can get our date night looks in, and I'm super excited about what we're giving. Now, this unit is absolutely positively fire. I really do love the hair. The biggest thing I love about this unit is this Tpart lace. That is amazing. And I'm saying it's amazing because I am impartial to closures, right? This gives you the ease, I feel, of a closure, even though you got to lay ear to ear. But it wasn't that big a deal. I really do love this. The lace was a little light. I did end up having to go through and darken her up a bit. But, you know, I'm brown like this, not like this. So I'm not mad at that at all. I thought that for the price point, the way this hair feels, the way she took heat, I didn't even have the right hairspray. I'm like big on my hairsprays, everything like that. I just really ran out the house, y'all. This that groupie life for real. Get your bag, get your little overnight bag with just soap, a new pair of panties, and keep it moving. That's really what I did this weekend. So I'm really into this. Tell me what you guys are thinking. I love her. We used our Babyliss wand curlers to get her all the way together, and I felt like I'm so happy with the final product. I'm beat. I love this hair. You guys really need to check this out. This hair is really fantastic. And again, I'm going to leave all the links below, okay? So you guys can check this out. Make sure you head over to Deanna Monet's channel and check Mama out for our date night collab, okay? And also be inspired, okay, to do wonderful things and love on your girlfriends too. If you don't got a man, I will. If you don't got a girlfriend, I will. Love on the people who love on you for Valentine's Day, okay? That's what I'm getting at with this. And check out Ms.Lynn here because they loved on us, okay? I'm feeling like I'm cheating or something like that. And I'll see you beautiful mother jumpers later.